In this lesson, we will see together direct object pronouns, but more precisely the pronoun me. So what are direct object pronouns? So if you have no clue, I definitely invite you to have a look at my video because it's quite precise and detailed. But to make it short, the direct object pronouns in French are used to replace nouns that are directly acted upon by the verb. And that's the point. And the second thing is the nouns are acted upon by the verb without any preposition. So this is the key, without preposition, and that's the reason why we call them direct. So in this lesson, we'll concentrate on me, and the direct object pronoun me is translated to me or to me in English, depending on the context. And me will stay for masculin, féminin, but definitely singulier. Masculin, féminin, singulier. We'll have 4 examples. Il me voit tous les jours. Il me voit tous les jours. Elle me prend comme partenaire. Elle me prend comme partenaire. Le professeur me regarde fixement. Le professeur me regarde fixement. La musique me fait danser. La musique me fait danser.